Welcome to the Web Development Masterclass. At this point, you have probably had an opportunity to look through the course outline and see this course cover an extensive amount of material. Don't let overwhelm you. This course designed to teach you just about every facet of web development process from beginning to the end. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this course will broaden your knowledge and inspire you to create stunning web applications. Yes, there are hundreds of books, YouTube videos, and articles on various aspects of web development freely available on the internet. This can certainly help you gain some insight into the field, but without putting it all into the context, it can be very confusing and frustrating, especially if you are just starting out. That's why you will find this course very useful. We start right from the basic essential concepts that are fundamental in your ability to progress as a web developer and create complex web applications that interact with thousands of users. First, we will start with an overview of how internet works, what happens behind the scenes when you type a web address into your web browser. From there, we will introduce the web development process and give a detailed rundown of exactly how we will go from setting up a local testing environment to hosting a live production web application on a fully scalable cloud server. Then we will really kick into a high gear by diving into developing our own web application with client-side development languages such as HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and Angular. Next, we will work with the database integration and server-side scripting language such as IP, MySQL, XML, AJAX, all combined. These are the latest web technologies, and by the end of this course, you will be more proficient with each one. In the last module of this course, you will employ all the skills you have acquired, build your own database-driven responsive website with encrypted password authentication blogs, validated contact forms, and much more. Easily gained enough knowledge and hands-on experience to work as a web developer or even launch your own online business and start making money online. We will be walking you through step by step what we have created 12 website project in this comprehensive course. Please remember to download the assignment and resources file. You will have the necessary file for each lecture. Also remember to complete the lecture quizzes and assignment to ensure you have efficiently learned the course material. I hope you enjoy your journey through this course. Getsitement को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।